Hello guys, this is Kugli here with another ROM review, and today I have here with me the Lava ROM by Chinese development team or Chinese developers, which is an awesome ROM. So let's get into it. And we have the home screen here, which is the typical Android home screen with many panels maybe, and you can see all the panels here with a pinch. I have 4 right now, 4 extra and 1 main. You can select the home screen and all your apps. You can see there's no app drawer button, but all your apps are here. These are all your apps, and I am having a shortage of apps because I have just installed this. I was using the previous version. This gets updated every Friday of each week, so this is kind of like refining each week. It's refined to a point of perfectness. So right now I'm running the one released on 25th May 2012. This is the latest one, that is today. If you can see some here, yeah, this is May 25th. So here it is, you can read that. The cool thing about this is that it's a really modded CyanogenMod 7.2. Let me tone that brightness. Okay, that's cool. So as I was saying, this is a really modded CyanogenMod with, this is the settings by the way, which is really modded, and you can swipe left and right to get into different things. Here is the wireless options, personal options such as display, home screen, themes. By the way, it supports themes. It has a special theming community, that is the Lava community. And this is the phone settings. There's also a block setting and data monitor, which comes specific with this ROM, and I will talk about that again. And applications. Okay, these are the settings actually, and let's go to about. Okay, so this is Lava ROM Cooper to 12.5.2025, that is 25.5.2012. This is based on the I have installed the Skynet 28 kernel to, I think that gives a better battery life and such. You may be able to see this. Okay, let's see. And you can see that BLM is working, so let's get that out of the way. Now let's get into the features. First of all, this is a really smooth, really fast ROM. It doesn't have any lags or such. Even after installing a few apps, I have used the previous versions and they were cool and they were working. And next I want to talk about this customized notification panel. It has great usage of these shortcuts. Here we have GPS, Bluetooth, 2G or 3G conversion. Now it's just 3G. Mobile data for you GPRS users. Wi-Fi. This is currently connected to Wi-Fi. Lock screen, you can go directly from lock screen here, so that you don't have to punch in the lock screen button every time. This is a custom lock screen right now, and that's great. And you can see a panel here which displays your monthly traffic usage, your monthly internet usage. So that's really cool if you consider if you are a heavy internet GPRS user, and in a country like mine where data usage on phone is quite expensive. It's a boon. And next thing is that it has got a Lava service, which I haven't enabled yet. You can hook up your Lava this ROM to the Lava service so that you can back up your contacts. You can back up your SMS. I think you can back up your personal data, etc. to the server, and whenever you update, it comes with OTA. Let me show that. System settings, this one, version update. You can update your version, you can check for an update, and or you can install from SD. There can be a zip files. You can go to the link in the description below and check out how to do that. It's currently the latest version, so there won't be another version. Well, this is primarily a Chinese ROM, and yeah, it has only two languages, English and Chinese. Let's see the Chinese language. Yeah, everything is Chinese. I don't know Chinese, so I'm going back to English. Okay, this is the English language. It comes with Android keyboard and also text-to-speech or voice recognition, as you some might say. And now, data monitor. This is the usage panel, 2G, 3G, the wireless LAN, 1.4 MB. As I said, I just installed this ROM. You have a built-in firewall which restricts each and every usage based on if you want them to use the internet or if they need to use the internet. So that's a cool feature. That's a very important feature if you are a heavy internet user. So then you can monitor, you can set up a monthly traffic, and then remind whenever it is the traffic, the monthly usage goes below a certain value, let's say 100. There will be a notification whenever this happens. SMS query settings, you can set that. I don't want to verify use data. You can type in the use data, and it will automatically check if what all has been used, etc., etc. You can even clear history. It's a really great ROM for the sheer customization options you get with this. Keep in mind, this is still a Cyanogen mod, so using this ROM you really lose the sense that it is still Cyanogen mod. I have been using Cyanogen mod for like a long time, and this is the first time I have seen a Cyanogen mod which doesn't look like a Cyanogen mod. As a matter of fact, there is the Cyanogen mod settings missing in the settings menu, and all of the rest of them are typical Android stuff. Just this is the camera which shoots decent pictures, and yeah, it beeps on. It does work. There's a flash. Yeah, that's an exposure problem. And the accelerometer works, if you were wondering that. Here it is, and it's got the ICS animations, so that's a win-win too. Yeah, and another great thing about this ROM is that you can select however your notification comes, so that's really awesome. I want to show that, come on. Yeah, pop-up location, bottom or top. That's one of the most the best thing I like about this ROM is this one. You can see right now the top pop-up came from the bottom. You can select at the yeah, come on, how cool is that? It comes from the top, and night mode colors, it comes from the top, or you can select from the bottom so that it comes from the bottom. That's an awesome thing. I really wanted this with the MIUI ROM, which I am going to review after this one. Well, I am installing it, so yeah. And you do have a battery indicator style. You can select. This is right now in graphical indicator. Now you can select percentage, that is 91%. And yes, this has got a really great battery life on it, so you shouldn't run into any trouble. Use the Skynet 8 ROM by Lowards, someone, I don't remember his name correctly. Just use that ROM, use that kernel, and it gives you fast GPS locks, and also great battery life. So it's a win-win situation. And well, I think that's pretty much about it. You can change the wallpaper or home settings. You can select the transition effects and high quality icon shadowing. You can go through that settings. Well, if you're installing this, you will need to go through the settings and select wallpapers. One thing to note is that it doesn't come with live wallpaper chooser. You have to download it separately and install it. These are the themes I have downloaded, and right now I'm using summer theme. You can go for another theme, such as this is the default theme. Let's apply that and see. Yeah, and this is the default theme. I kind of didn't like the icons of the default theme, so I'm going for another theme. So what else should I use? This Anna theme, that is a Nokia OS, Symbian OS Anna theme. So this is cool too. All icons change actually. At least the background changes. It's now more curvy. So this is Leva ROM, which by the way is one of the best ROMs I have used for Galaxy Ace. Actually, with all the hype about the ice cream sandwich heading to newer devices, our Ace is actually deprived of official ICS right now, and with all the developers trying to get ICS onto our devices, this is a nice change for our device to get a new look and a new a new attitude. So thanks for watching this, and I'll see you around.